Hello students, welcome to online classes from KB Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 8 subject science chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is crop production. So inside the chapter 1 crop production, today I am going to describe about agricultural implements. Agricultural implements, that means about plough, hoe, cultivator and leveler. So about agricultural implements. So about plough, that means a plough is used for ploughing the field. That is, plough is used for ploughing the field. That means instrument which is used for the ploughing the field is called plough. And plough is made up of wood or iron. Earlier, plough were driven by animal like bulls. Earlier, plough is used, that means plough is operated by the animals. But horses, camels, but nowadays tractors are used instead of animal to drive and to operate the plough. So uses of plough are tilling the soil. For tilling the soil, plough are used. For adding fertilizer to the field, plough are used. And for removing unwanted plant from the field, plough are used. So next topic will be hoe. Hoe consists of long rod of wood or iron. Hoe consists of long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends. That means a strong, broad, bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends of hoe. The bent plate acts as a knife. Bent plate of hoe is a work, act as a knife. So uses of hoe: loosening the soil, removing the weeds, hoe is used. Then cultivator. What is the cultivator? A large field these days, ploughing is done by the cultivator driven tractor. Large field are ploughed by the using tractor driven cultivator. By the tractor driven cultivator. Using tractors saves labor and time. By using tractor, if ploughing will be done in a field, there will be time and money, both are saved. Time and labor, not money. Time and labor, both are saved. So, leveler. A leveler is a large piece of wooden or iron plank. Leveler is large piece of wooden or iron plank. It can be also driven by animals or by tractor. So leveler can be operated by animals or operated by tractors. It is best for leveling, that means it is used for leveling the field before sowing the seeds. So sowing, next topic will be sowing of seed. So what about sowing of seed? Once the soil is prepared, seeds are sown in it. That means inside soil, seeds are sown. The process of putting the seeds in the soil, the process of putting the seed inside the soil is called sowing. Most of the crops like wheat, maize, bajra, jowar, oat and mustard are grown by sowing seed. So selection of good quality and a healthy seed is very important. Selection of good quality of seed and healthy seed is very important. Before sowing the seed, how do you find the seeds are healthy or good? How do you find the seeds are healthy and seeds are good? So when you put some seeds inside water, the seed which are healthy will be sink down and settle at the bottom of the vessel, and the seed which are not healthy or float on the surface of water. So in such manner, healthy and not healthy seeds will be separated. So now I am going to tell you about point to be kept in mind while sowing seed. While farmer going to sow seed in their field, what points should be taken in mind? So first point, seed should be good quality and healthy. First point should be taken in the mind. Second point, they should be sown at the correct depth in the soil. Seeds are sown at correct depth in the soil. The correct depth varies from crop to crop. Different crops have different depth of sowing the seed. If sown seed deep in the soil, roots will not be able to respire. I am going to tell you the condition. If seed are sown too deep in the soil, so roots of the seed will not respire. In the absence of respiring process of the seed will not germinate. If sown on the surface, if seeds are sown on the surface of the soil, then bird will come and eat all the seed.